Sangguniang Laiko ng Pilipinas invites you to join us in the closing program of the National Laity Week 2020, hosted by the Archdiocese of Cebu Commission on the Laity, this Saturday, September 26, 2020 at 9 a.m., followed by a Holy Mass officiated by Cebu Archbishop Jose S. Palma at 10 a.m. All live on Facebook at CBCP News, Laiko Cebu, 500 Years of Christianity, Archdiocese of Cebu, Cebu Metropolitan Cathedral, DYRF, and CCTN 47.